Hello everybody, this is Tarina. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys take a look around and find something that inspires you to get creative. I do all kinds of things. I create scrapbook layouts. I kind of dabble in project life, picture my life, pocket scrapbooking, whatever you want to call it. I haven't done those in a while because the kids have been home from school, so I'm planning on getting back into that. And I do home projects, like I'm building a ink tower for my stamp pads, so that's a work in progress. I do all kinds of paper crafting, mixed media, cards, planning, and I think I'm going to add in Bible art soon. I was going to do Bible journaling, and then I decided that's not the direction I wanted to go. I really want to make layouts with His Word on there and inspiring quotes, not just from the Bible, but I believe most of them are derived from the Bible or some similar text. So that is kind of where I want to head. If you don't know and you are new here, hello and welcome. I am a Close to My Heart consultant, and you'll see a lot of Close to My Heart products on my channel. I love using their products. Their paper lines are some of my favorites, and so you'll definitely see a lot of that on my channel here. And if you're returning, if you're a subscriber, thank you. I want to look at the camera, but there's a light, you know, the flash is on, so it's really bright. So my eyes tend to go everywhere but there. But I do want to thank you guys for being subscribers if you're already a subscriber, and I hope I've inspired you guys. That's my main goal, is to share my process and what inspires me, and hopefully it will inspire you guys to get creative. And so I am going to go ahead and hop off of here and get creating. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye!